Good evening. I'm Dave Wombold. It's March 20th, 2020. America is in week one of a transition to a new normal. Many people are quarantined or been asked to not leave their homes due to the worldwide pandemic of COVID-19. And I feel like it's appropriate to take advantage of this time at home to get a jump start on my goal for this year, which is to grow the state of Iowa's largest pumpkin. Now, I've been working and researching, watching videos, reaching out to other growers leading up to today, and I have been in contact with Ron Wallace of Wallace's Organic Wonders, WOW, and purchased some of his private stock seed as well as some of his regular stock and some of his other products. And today I'm going to put his and other growers' knowledge to use and begin the process of starting our pumpkin seeds. So March 20th, 2020, we're going to get these seeds started, and hopefully by August, I believe it's August 9th, is the Iowa State Fair, the way off. So that'll give us several months to baby this thing along, and hopefully we're out of quarantine by then. The world can get back to a semi-normal state, but we're going to make the most of our time here at home, and we're going to bring it along for the ride. So thanks for joining me. We'll see you along the way. So here I have my there are 7 peat pots here. I have them labeled. I've got my one large seed, 21 Wallace's 2114, and I've got the other one just labeled WOW, Wallace's Organic Wonders, and I've got them numbered 1 through 6. This is the size of one of the seeds. They're really large and thick. One of the techniques that was told to me was to use some sandpaper, and you rough the edges of that seed and just take off that real fine outer layer, because this is a really hard seed, but you don't want to touch the tip. You don't want that tip sanded. So I'm going to take this and get it all filed down there. It's that edge, so then we can let that soak here in our solution of the seaweed powder and warm water. So the one seed that I have that's from the private stock I've labeled, and the rest of them are just going to be on here. So alright, so out in the garage now, I just mixed up a batch of seed starting soil here. I've got about 17 cups of this generic seed starter mix, about 2 1/4 cups of water, and this is Wallace's mycorrhizal inoculant. So from what I understand, this is going to be key to getting these roots really energized and really going here. We're going to use this throughout the year when we get those vines going into the ground. We'll get those vines rerooted in the ground. We're going to put some more of this on there, as well as when we put the pot into the ground. So here's my pots. Soaked them or just kind of rinsed them off in the warm water. Got them moistened. And I've used, and then I just used 3 tablespoons in with this mix here. So I've mixed it all around, gotten a nice mixture here. So I'm going to fill these pots. There you go. Here's my 7 pots of soil, all ready to go. This is kind of like the nursery for the little babies. We're gonna grow some big whoppers. Okay, seeds are going in. So I'm just putting them in pointy side down. Just covering them up, giving them a nice pat. I made sure that the soil has been firmly pressed into the pot so that those roots have something to grab onto. It's not too fluffy, but okay. 7 giant pumpkins on their way.